Tom is going to do that eventually. Tom is going to do that eventually. Tom asked for permission to do that. Tom asked for permission to do that. Tom will likely not do that anymore. Tom will likely not do that anymore. Tom is planning to do that tomorrow. Tom is planning to do that tomorrow. Tom will probably forget to do that. Tom will probably forget to do that. Tom swore he wouldn't do that today. Tom swore he wouldn't do that today. I suspect Tom doesn't often do that. I suspect Tom doesn't often do that. I definitely won't do that with Tom. I definitely won't do that with Tom. I wasn't aware Tom couldn't do that. I wasn't aware Tom couldn't do that. I assumed that Tom wouldn't do that. I assumed that Tom wouldn't do that. It's possible that Tom will do that. It's possible that Tom will do that. Tom isn't really allowed to do that. Tom isn't really allowed to do that. I'm pretty sure Tom wouldn't do that. I'm pretty sure Tom wouldn't do that. Tom would have allowed Mary to do that. Tom would have allowed Mary to do that. You've seen Tom do that, haven't you? You've seen Tom do that, haven't you? You should probably help Tom do that. You should probably help Tom do that. That's the reason Tom didn't do that. That's the reason Tom didn't do that. Please make sure Tom doesn't do that. Please make sure Tom doesn't do that. It's strange that Tom didn't do that. It's strange that Tom didn't do that. I thought Tom could probably do that. I thought Tom could probably do that. I thought Tom could do that tomorrow. I thought Tom could do that tomorrow. Didn't you know Tom wouldn't do that? Didn't you know Tom wouldn't do that? Tom will do that tomorrow, I suppose. Tom will do that tomorrow, I suppose. Tom wasn't able to do that yesterday. Tom wasn't able to do that yesterday. Tom was worried you wouldn't do that. Tom was worried you wouldn't do that. Tom was able to do that successfully. Tom was able to do that successfully. Tom thinks he could probably do that. Tom thinks he could probably do that. Tom swore he'd never do that anymore. Tom swore he'd never do that anymore. Tom suggested that you don't do that. Tom suggested that you don't do that. Tom still likes to do that sometimes. Tom still likes to do that sometimes. Tom shouldn't have needed to do that. Tom shouldn't have needed to do that. Tom says that he'll do that tomorrow. Tom says that he'll do that tomorrow. Tom says he definitely won't do that. Tom says he definitely won't do that. Tom said he'd probably do that today. Tom said he'd probably do that today. Tom said he wouldn't do that anymore. Tom said he wouldn't do that anymore. Tom said he didn't do that yesterday. Tom said he didn't do that yesterday. Tom regrets that he couldn't do that. Tom regrets that he couldn't do that. Tom probably doesn't want to do that. Tom probably doesn't want to do that. Tom probably doesn't have to do that. Tom probably doesn't have to do that. Tom must have been hesitant to do that. Tom must have been hesitant to do that. Tom isn't flexible enough to do that. Tom isn't flexible enough to do that. Tom had planned to do that yesterday. Tom had planned to do that yesterday. Tom doesn't believe he could do that. Tom doesn't believe he could do that. Tom doesn't actually want to do that. Tom doesn't actually want to do that. Tom doesn't actually need to do that. Tom doesn't actually need to do that. Tom doesn't actually have to do that. Tom doesn't actually have to do that. Tom certainly isn't ready to do that. Tom certainly isn't ready to do that. Tom and I sometimes do that together. Tom and I sometimes do that together. Tom agreed that we shouldn't do that. Tom agreed that we shouldn't do that. Tom was hoping Mary wouldn't do that. Tom was hoping Mary wouldn't do that.